Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Prius light. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch before beginning. For an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This simple step prevents accidental electrical issues during the process, making your light replacement smooth and secure. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. This usually involves carefully removing part of the front bumper cover. Start by locating and removing the plastic clips and screws that hold the bumper in place. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender, being mindful of any resistance. If your Prius has fog lights, remember to disconnect their wiring harnesses before fully detaching the bumper section. With the headlight assembly exposed, you can now proceed with replacing the bulb. Unscrew the bolts holding the assembly in place and carefully pull it forward to gain better access. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Ensure the new bulb clicks securely into place for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reconnect any wiring harnesses you disconnected earlier, then reattach the bumper cover, securing it with all the clips and screws. Before fully tightening everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This ensures you won't have to redo any steps. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, please see the link in the description below. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.